Pro Taylor Refrigeration is located in Jiangmen City, where is closed to many international cities. The Jiangmen seaport is 8 kilometers far from our factory. The Jiangmen fast train station is 2 kilometers far from our factory. The Guangzhou airport is 80 kilometers far from our factory. The transportation is very convenient. Pro Taylor have very rich experience in refrigeration equipment manufacturing. Our main products are ice cream machine, popsicle machine, slush machine, ice making machine, and freezers. Our factory passes the SGS audit. All products obtained CE approval. We have well-trained technicians who are also on standby ready to help with checks in the R&D department, quality assurance, and after-sales service. We can customize new equipment to practically any peculiar requests, styles, specifications, colors, functions that our customers requesting for. Our products been exported to all over the world and winning admiration for the durability, good quality, and high profit it brings to our customers' business. Our mission: we create and sustain value for our customers, our shareholders, our people, and society. Our objective: to become the industry benchmark. Our conduct rules: we are acting fast and conscientiously without any excuse, and we will keep our word. Our concept: we are grateful, willing to share and study. We are working faithfully and endeavoring for a win-win future. Sincerely welcome all of you to contact us for future friendship and business partnership.